Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A14 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can check internet speed in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. First, make sure that data is turned on, mobile data is turned on, and now go to Google Chrome, and go to fast.com. Go to fast.com and it will show download speed, upload speed. Now download speed is measuring, just wait, 11 mbps up to it goes 18. Just you got to wait. It will check and stay at a particular point. That final point is the internet speed in your phone with your SIM card inserted. Okay, click on show more info and it will show other options: unloaded seconds, loaded seconds, and upload speed. Unloaded means a page unloaded with 50 milliseconds now, as of now, and loaded 1 point. For loading a page it takes 1.5 second. Okay, and upload speed is measuring, only upload speed is 3.2 mbps. Also client information is showing here: Kanjipuram, India, and address is showing Geo. Network is Geo. Server information is also available. So in this way you can easily check network speed, that is internet speed, in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.